Umepewa at your area currently, tumesema you are at Unjiru area, sawa? That's your checkpoint, Unjiru area. You have been given a grid reference. After checking in your map, utaona unaenda do the area, sawa? So you take your ruler, you join the two places, sawa? You use your pencil and your ruler. Don't use a pen on the map. Use your pencil and your ruler. But because the map is covered using the manila paper, you can use your pen. But make sure you rub, sawa? So you join the two areas using your pencil. Then you take your compass. After you have joined the two areas, take your compass. Let the true north, the point kwenye unaenda, the direction where you are headed to. Then align using the capsule. Ndani ya capsule there are lines, black lines. Those lines are supposed to align to be parallel to the eastings. Sawa? Those are the longitudes on the map. Zinafaa kualign with the eastings. So uzungushe capsule until the grid north imealign na eastings plus the lines in the capsule. Then take your map, take your compass, uzunguke until the magnetic north iko in line with the true north. Sawa? That's the direction where you are headed to. Penye true north ina point, huko ndiko utaenda. Sawa? Then when reading the direction ama the bearing, utakuja hapa kwa true north. Then kwenye tu hiyo line iko utasoma bearing yako kwenye utaenda. Right now my compass ina indicate I'm headed to 218 degrees southwest. Sawa? That's where I'm headed to. That's the bearing you'll give during reporting out. Sawa? Then when it comes to time, we have said utakuja kwa map yako. Remember you join the two areas. Then come using your ruler, measure the two areas from Injiru to the area. Measure using your ruler. Then you come to the scale of the map. You using the kilometer scale, not the mile scale. You come measure from 0 up to where your ruler imefika. How many centimeters umemesha kutoka kwa Munjiru to the area. You measure, then you record. You have a book to record the distance. That is the distance you will use in reporting out. Sawa? Yes. Then when it comes to time, take that distance. We have said 1 kilometer takes 15 minutes. Sawa? 1 kilometer is equal to 15 minutes. And then for every 3 contours, you take 4 minutes to cover 3 contours. So when measuring the time, first you take the distance you have measured, multiply by 15 minutes. Then you come to your map, you count the number of contours from Unjiru to the area. That's the area where you are headed to. Between the two areas, you count the number of contours. Na hapa kwa example tumepata ni 6 contours. So you take 6, divide by 3, multiply by 4. That's the total time. So you take that time, you add to yenye ulipata ukimultiply distance in kilometers by 15 minutes. But then what happens if you get a number which is not divisible by 3? Maybe tuseme umepata 20 contours. What do? You either add 1 ama subtract 1 according to ni gani iko nearer. So 20, ukiwa umepata 20, which is easier, ku-add 1 ama ku-subtract 1. Na uki-add 1 lazima upate a multiple which is divisible by 3. So uki-add 1 utapata 21 contours. So 21 you divide by 3, you multiply by 4 to get 28 minutes. So 28 minutes you add kwa zenye ulipata kwa kilometers. Sawa? So that's the duration of time. That's the estimated time you'll take during the whole trekking from one checkpoint to the other. Sawa? During reporting, sasa ndio utareport. We are at our group name is Starship from Murang'a High School. We are at Unjiru area, a grade reference of maybe 337970. That's Unjiru area. 337970. And we have arrived at Tuthi area, a grade reference of 325954. Sawa? Direction tumepata ni 218 degrees southwest. Now we are reporting using the 5Ds. That's direction, distance, duration. Sawa? Then dangers and deviations. So direction tumesema ni you include kwa direction uta include bearing and the direction. That's using your compass. South, east, west, no? North. So tumesema ni 218 degrees southwest. Sawa? A distance, estimated distance ni maybe 2.5 kilometers. Then duration, estimated time of arrival, maybe tumepata 2 hours 10 minutes. So estimated time of arrival is 2 hours 10 minutes, but we have taken maybe 3 hours due to dangers encountered ama deviation. Then you come to dangers encountered. Mmekutana maybe with a snake. You kill that snake as evidence when reporting. Ndio ukienda kwa assessors waambie this is the danger encountered. You encountered a snake during the trekking. Sawa? Then using the deviation. Maybe mlikutana na a hill. You deviated to avoid your hill because it's steep. Sawa? So you state the deviation and the degrees with which you have deviated. Sawa? So you state we have deviated with maybe 10 degrees eastwards of our route path. Sawa? Any casualties? Hapo ni assessor atauliza. Any casualties encountered? Now is the work of the first aider kusema kama mme encounter any casualties during your trekking. Sawa? Then physical fitness. Physical features, that is the one who is responsible in your group. You must give a list of the physical features you came across during your trekking. Maybe a mountain, a hill, an escarpment, a river. Sawa? Those are the physical features. Then QM, utaulizwa whether your members are fully satisfied. Kuna mtu ako na njaa ama wote wako sawa. Sawa? Then first aider, maybe casualties encountered. Umemshughulikia when you are reporting in after trek from your previous checkpoint to your current checkpoint. Encounter maybe certain casualties. Physical first aider, it's your work kushughulikia huyo mtu. And the group is supposed to stop when you encounter a casualty. Msimame kwanza mshughulikie that casualty. Then after he's fine, msaidie as you trek along up to your checkpoint mfike. Mkifika you report. Exactly mkifika kwa checkpoint mko na bags hiyo. You don't drop your bags. Msieke bags chini. First you go direct to the assessors. Then you report in. After you are reported in, sasa mnaweza enda mpumzike as you wait for the other groups to arrive. Sawa? Haya, any questions so far? Mpaka hapo. Niko kwa reporting stage. Nakumbuka mkianza ku report, you must start with the group name. You start with the group name. Then sasa muendelee with the 5Ds. Just in case muachane katikati ya trekking na maybe assessor ajue ama unajua mkitembea assessor pia kuna wenye wako mbele kuna wenye wako nyuma. So maybe watawaona along the way. Na mkichagua kufuata assessor kuna wenye wanaweza kupoteza purposely. Ndio waone kama mnafuata ama mnafuata your compass. Sawa? So kama mliachana along the trekking in your reporting in your checkpoint you'll be given a punishment. That's according to the assessor. Ni ata decide which punishment atawapatia. Sawa? So find any question? Any questions so far?